Yeah, I would also like to share my experience. Like, I have joined ma'am's Zumba class since last 2 months, and apart from that, I have joined her Angelic course also. I got my something inside that I should join that, so I have joined that one, and till now we have completed very few sessions, and you won't believe within those few sessions they are like working as wonders in my life. So many experiences I am getting in my life. Even I can feel their presence also. They're giving me the physical signs and all that they are around me all the time. They are present during my bad times also. They're helping me out like anything. I am now getting a lot of help from the angels. One experience that I remember is like I had a lot of work one day, and the complexity was also more. I mean, I was very tense, and I was not getting. I thought that today the day is going to be very hectic without any break, and moreover, I have to travel to office. I'm staying in Bangalore. Lot of traffic is also there. In traffic, also I have to spend a lot of time, and again coming back from office, I have to work. And also, I prayed angel that please angel come and help me and make my delivery smooth, as well as it should be a very qualitative deliverable also. So you won't believe, within 3 to 4 hours of time, I don't know how my work was done, and the day was also not over. It was around 3:30 or 4 o'clock. My work was completely finished. I also can't, I mean, it's not believable for me also that my work, which is so complicated, that got delivered so easily. And it was a qualitative deliverable, of course. So that is one of my biggest experience. And one more experience I would like to share. Being with Shraddha ma'am is such a bless for me. I request everyone that keep Shraddha ma'am always. I mean, you should be in touch with Shraddha ma'am by any means. One Yesterday I got very bad injury in my knee. I hit My knee got hit in a pillar, small pillar, and I was like, I was not able to walk properly. I was not able to bend my legs. Nothing I was able to do. So yesterday it passed. Tomorrow I thought that it is going to be, I mean, a very painful day for me. It's a kind of winter in Bangalore, so I thought that it is going to be very painful for me. Anyways, I won't be able to walk. That was my feeling, but I have written the switch code which she has provided for pain and all. I keep on writing. That has become a part of my practice only. I keep on writing that one, and you won't believe, tomorrow morning I'm walking like a normal human being. I forgot that. I mean, after some time I realized that yesterday I got I mean, a bone knee injury, and now I'm working fine. So that is like a miracle for me. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your company, for your blessings and all. It
Wow,
is
that you did not
very,
share me with this one, the last one, knee injury. That's really awesome after listening to you. This
yeah,
one.
I thought that, even I thought that today I have to go to doctor if the pain is not reducing. That much pain I was having in my leg, I thought that today I have to go for x-ray.
Hmm.
That
Oh,
much pain I was having, and
miracle.
today I have pain, but I mean, it's very less. It is, I mean, almost negligible.
It will go 100%. Your angels are around because you are now into the angels and they are pampering you, they are loving you. Natural therapy they are doing. One more experience, ma'am, that night you had. Just share with them the night
Which,
experience you had the cramp.
oh, okay, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Usually, I mean, most of the time, I used to have a very severe lower abdomen pain, and because of that, I can't sleep at night. So one day, after knowing Shraddha ma'am, so I thought of pinging her, because that night I was not able to sleep. So I thought that I will ping her. Even though it was late night, I thought that I will give a try. And that time it was around 11 o'clock. She was awake. and I told her that I'm getting a lot of pain. Please send me the healings as well as help me with the switch words and all. So she has helped me with the switch word and one phrase also for pain, especially for pain she has given. So I have written those, and you won't believe, I slept like a baby that day. Like at around 12 I slept, and I woke up next day morning at around 8:15 and 20. It was unbelievable for me. And this pain I used to have since past many years. It's not like it is a I mean recent problem. It is I'm having this pain since last many years. I can never believe that without a hot water bag or a painkiller I can sleep. So it was really amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much.